Hey y'all, welcome to Black Mamas Do Science. This is a YouTube channel I do with my son Dax, and we do science experiments every week that you can do at home yourself. We are excited to show you how to blow up a balloon with some yeast. So get excited. These are the ingredients you will need to blow up your balloon with yeast. Obviously, that first thing is yeast. You can just buy these instant active packs of yeast. I found them at my local grocery store. Then you will also need sugar, lukewarm water, a clear bowl, or you can use a mixing bowl. And then you will also need a party balloon and a narrow neck bottle. So you just need to make sure that your balloon can fit over the top of your bottle and that it's clear. And also, don't forget your measuring spoons. You'll definitely need that for this experiment. All right, y'all, once you have all your ingredients, go ahead, sit down with your kids, and you will make sure to put your yeast, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of table sugar. Thank you, Dax. Yes, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then you will also need to mix in your 2 tablespoons of water in your bottle. Once you do all that, close the top, shake it all up, and then open it up and put your party balloon on top of the bottle. While you do that, you'll place the bottle inside of your bowl of lukewarm water. So once you've put everything together, your bottle's in your bowl of water, everything's mixed, you will just wait. And this is the cool part of the experiment. If you can keep your kid from knocking over if they're taller, like I had to kind of do with Dax, I had to go like this to him a couple of times. But if you wait just a little bit, it took us about 40 minutes roughly for us to see a reaction. You will notice that your balloon starts to blow up automatically. So that was really, really cool. And we will get into the science behind our experiment next. Hey y'all, if this is your first time visiting Black Mommas Do Science, we're so excited you're here and we hope you are having fun doing the science experiment. We hope that you will like and leave us a comment below, and don't forget to share it with another mama who might want to do a science experiment with their kids. Okay, y'all, now we're going to get into the science behind our experiment today. So, yeast is this really small fungus, and it ends up converting sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. But in order to do this, it needs to be wet and warm, which is why we place the bottle with yeast into a bowl of warm water. This particular experiment, the balloon that we put on top of our bottle captured all the carbon dioxide that the yeast and the sugar, the water mixture created. And that is actually what causes our balloon to inflate all on its own without you having to blow it up. In this exact same way, yeast works in dough. So if you like making bread or anything like that, if you're a baker, I'm not, obviously. If you like to bake, the yeast works in the exact same way, where the carbon dioxide bubbles get trapped into the dense dough. So this makes the dough expand and it makes it into this light and fluffy bread that you like to eat all the time. So our science experiment is a great way, and also if you like to bake, it's a great way to show your kids how all of these reactions are working together to create things that we enjoy, like bread and even blowing up balloons. Y'all, well, that is our experiment today. We hope you enjoyed it. Dax loved it. He also loved throwing things into our water mixture. Just be careful that your kids don't knock over your bottle with the balloon on it. But other than that, let them, go ahead, do what they want. Throwing stuff in warm water is not going to hurt it. But we hope you enjoyed it today. We love doing these experiments with you, and we will see you next time. Bye, y'all. Oh, that was gross, Dax. Excuse me.